what do you get in a box of Happy Socks? When you buy the Advent calendar, you get 24 pairs of fun and wild socks to use during the year. I think there were 3 Christmas-themed socks and all the rest were just wild and fun. Oh, let's take a look. Did anyone see a pair that they liked? I wish they came in camel sizes, although I might use 2 pairs, one for the front hoofs and one for the back hoofs. I liked the holiday themed socks, and I liked the ones with the stars. Those look like fun. Taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty. The average price on the Happy Socks website, the average price for a pair of socks is $18. The calendar price would be $5.42. Now, granted, we got ours on a very good sale of $130. They wanted originally $260 for this calendar, which would bring the price up to $10.95 per sock, which is still cheaper than on the website. If you like a mystery box, this is the one for you. I was tickled with the $5.42. Will I use every sock in there? No, I will be passing some of those along as gifts to friends and family. But it's a fun calendar, a fun way to get some socks for the new year and for the holidays, and a fun way to get some gifts or stocking stuffers. Oh, that's a good joke. A sock and a sock. It was a fun and enjoyable calendar. This is the second time we've done it, and would we do it again? Depends upon how many socks we need, honestly, but if you can get it on sale, the price definitely makes it worthwhile. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, share with your friends. Go buy some socks. Hope to see you in another video. We have lots of fun things going on here.